Antivirus is what most people think they need to protect their computers. But in the IT world, it is called Advanced Endpoint Protection, EDR. Antivirus software alone does not protect your system. If you are running a business and you think you can just run to the local electronics store and buy an antivirus software, install it, and voila, you're protected. And worst, if your IT company sells you an antivirus as a way of protecting your network. If that's all it takes to prevent hackers and spammers, cybercriminals from gaining access to your information, then no business would have been hacked. The truth of the matter is that you need an IT expert to recommend the right protection for your business. In general, the product that you'd need should include antivirus, anti-spam, anti-malware. You also need intrusion detection and intrusion prevention system for your network. In addition to that, you will need web traffic filtering and DNS filtering. Now, that is a lot of geek talk. Hence, you need an IT expert.